Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to bring you quality content every day. Today, we dive into the world of carpet cleaners, exploring the top contenders for the title of Best Carpet Cleaners. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, pet messes, or simply want to revitalize your carpets, we've got you covered. Join us as we unveil the leading carpet cleaners in the market, examining their features, performance, and user satisfaction. Get ready to make an informed decision and discover the ultimate solution to achieve immaculate carpets in your home. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the best carpet cleaners that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. Number 1. Tinko Carpet One Pro. The Tinko Floor One S3 Breeze offers the freedom of cordless cleaning, allowing you to move around without the hassle of cords or cables. It is designed to be lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and carry around your home. This cleaner is capable of both wet and dry vacuuming, providing versatility in tackling different types of messes. Whether you need to remove dry debris, spills, or sticky messes, the Floor One S3 Breeze is equipped to handle it. The Floor One S3 Breeze features a smart control system that allows you to adjust the suction power according to the specific cleaning task. With the ability to clean various surfaces, including hardwood floors, laminate, tile, and vinyl, the Tinko Floor One S3 Breeze is a versatile cleaning solution for your entire home. It is specifically designed to be gentle on hardwood floors, effectively removing dirt and dust without causing damage. The cleaner is equipped with convenient features to enhance the cleaning experience. It has LED lights on the floor head to illuminate dark areas and ensure thorough cleaning. Number 2. Bissell Power Clean. The Bissell Turbo Clean Power Brush utilizes a powerful motor and rotating power brush system to lift and remove embedded dirt, stains, and pet hair from your carpets. This carpet cleaner is specifically designed to address the unique challenges faced by pet owners. It features a specialized pet hair collection basket that helps trap and separate pet hair from the dirty water, making it easier to dispose of. The cleaner is designed for user convenience, with simple operation and maintenance. It has a large water tank capacity that reduces the need for frequent refilling, allowing you to clean larger areas without interruption. The removable nozzle and brush roll are easy to clean after use. While the Turbo Clean Power Brush is ideal for carpets, it can also be used on other surfaces such as area rugs and upholstery, offering versatility in your cleaning tasks. Number 3. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution. Bissell has won more awards than any other carpet cleaner manufacturer here, and for good reason. Their machines are well designed and they invariably do the job exceedingly well. This model's not especially easy to stow for those who are tight on storage space, but it's an exemplary performer nonetheless, even if it doesn't come with a hose for detailed spot cleaning. Most carpet cleaners require hot water to work efficiently, but this model is able to keep the water at optimum temperature using its heated cleaning technology. It also features 2 levels of cleaning power, Deep Clean and Express Clean. The Pro Heat 2X Revolution uses 2 rows of rotating brushes to lift the pile and remove ingrained dirt. Both water tanks, clean and dirty, are the same size and both are very easy to remove. However, you will need to measure the detergent before pouring it into the clean water reservoir, so don't lose the provided measuring cap. Number 4. Bissell Hydrowave. The Hydrowave's clean 1.7-liter water tank comes with 2 filling guides, one for carpets and the other for hard surface cleaning. The front revolving brush, meanwhile, has 10 rows of bristles and it does an exceptional job of lifting dirt from deep within the pile. Despite its powerful dirty water suction, it does leave the carpet feeling a little damper than other models we've tried, so figure in a few hours of drying time before you walk on it wearing just socks. On the control front, it has buttons for express and deep clean, plus a clean shot function for deep stain scrubbing. It also comes with a clean out tool for removing pet hair and a unique cleaning tray that sucks up fresh water, cleaning the front brush housing in the process. The included 750 ml bottle of Bissell cleaning solution should be enough for several sessions on the pile. For those with smaller apartments, the Hydrowave is a shoe-in. It's easy to store, not too heavy, and it cleans carpets and hard floors very effectively indeed. Number 5. Kärcher Pussy 10-1. Teutonic brand Kärcher doesn't make domestic carpet cleaners, but its professional range is so much cheaper than most other pro models that this one is well worth a mention. The Pussy is of the pull-along variety, which some users will find easier to handle. However, because it's essentially designed for shorter pile office carpets, it doesn't feature a revolving brush attachment. One is available, but it's 600 quid. Boy, must that kick ass. As standard, this comes with a flexible 2.5-meter hose and a pivoting floor tool that sprays Karcher's own brand detergent solution into the carpet while simultaneously sucking up the grimy sediment and depositing it into the unit's front tank. The smaller upholstery tool is a major plus since it produces outstanding results on polyester car seats and soft household furnishings. Granted, this is not a cheap machine, but it not only cuts the mustard, it'll also suck it out of any soiled pile. Incredibly easy to use, too.